car LED interior lights improve visibility, enhance driving atmosphere, add personal style, and create a more enjoyable nighttime driving experience. Today's video is about top 5 best car LED interior lights that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Winzwon LED Lights for car. These LED car interior lights are a simple yet effective way to upgrade your driving experience. The extra long cable makes installation easy in almost any vehicle, from compact cars to trucks, while the flexible waterproof strips fit neatly into interior gaps for a clean ambient look. What really stands out is the music sync feature. The built-in microphone allows the lights to pulse and change colors with your music, creating a lively atmosphere during night drives, road trips, or even casual city cruising. The app control adds convenience since you can customize colors, brightness, and DIY lighting modes directly from your phone without relying on a remote. With multiple color options available, it's easy to match different moods, whether you want a relaxing glow or a vibrant party vibe. Another strong point is the USB-powered design, which runs cooler and feels safer than traditional cigarette lighter adapters. Overall, these car LED lights are stylish, fun, beginner-friendly, and perfect for adding personality to any vehicle interior. Now our second product is Qvevdacar Interior Car LED Strip Lights. These RGB interior car lights are an excellent upgrade for anyone wanting to add style and personality to their vehicle. The wireless app control works smoothly on both iOS and Android, giving you access to 16 million colors and 29 preset lighting modes. You can easily adjust brightness, switch effects, or customize the speed of animations directly from your phone, making the experience modern and convenient. One of the standout features is the music sync mode. The built-in sound sensor reacts to the beat of your music, turning ordinary drives into a fun and energetic atmosphere, especially during night rides or road trips. The optical fiber lighting also creates a premium ambient glow that gives the car interior a luxury-inspired appearance. Safety is another strong point. The lights operate on a low 12V voltage with short-circuit protection, waterproof materials, and low heat output, making them safe for daily use and family-friendly. Installation in interior gaps keeps the setup clean and organized. Overall, these LED car lights are stylish, entertaining, and surprisingly easy to use. Our third product is Maodaner Fiber Optic Strip Lights for car. The Dream Plus Color Acrylic Car Ambient Lighting Kit delivers an impressive combination of brightness, customization, and premium styling for any vehicle interior. Unlike standard fiber optic lights, these acrylic LED strips produce a brighter, softer, and more evenly distributed glow thanks to the upgraded acrylic lens design. The package includes 6 flexible light strips in multiple sizes, making it easy to create a custom setup without messy wiring. The RGB Smart IC effects are one of the best features. The flowing chase patterns, dancing colors, and flashing effects create a futuristic atmosphere, while the app also allows you to switch to elegant static colors whenever you prefer a calmer mood. Bluetooth app control works smoothly on both Android and iOS, giving quick access to colors, brightness, and lighting modes. The built-in music sensor adds even more fun by syncing the lights with music or voice sounds in real time. With low-heat 12V operation, waterproof materials, and short-circuit protection, the system feels safe and reliable for daily use. Overall, it's a stylish and highly customizable lighting upgrade for cars and trucks. Now number 4, Jushope Interior Car LED Strip Lights. These interior car lights offer an impressive mix of customization, convenience, and vibrant lighting effects that instantly upgrade any vehicle's atmosphere. The combination of app control and RF remote makes operation simple and flexible. Using the Lotus Lantern app, you can easily switch colors, adjust brightness, create DIY effects, set timers, and control multiple light kits at once. The lighting performance is excellent, with access to over 16 million colors and 29 dynamic modes. Whether you want a calm ambient glow for night driving or colorful effects for parties and road trips, there's a mode for every mood and occasion. The music sync feature is especially entertaining. The built-in microphone allows the lights to react to the beat of your music, creating a lively and immersive experience inside the car. Installation is straightforward thanks to the USB plug-and-play design, and the system also supports wider DC power compatibility. Safety features like high temperature and short-circuit protection add peace of mind. Overall, these LED interior lights are stylish, fun, and highly versatile for cars, trucks, RVs, and even home decoration. And our last choice is Tekshinny Interior LED Night Light for car. These LED interior touch lights are a simple yet practical upgrade for anyone wanting extra lighting inside their car. The compact design fits easily in small spaces like armrest boxes, seat corners, storage compartments, or other dark areas that usually lack visibility. Despite the small size, the built-in RGB LED beads provide bright and vivid lighting with 7 attractive color options, including white, red, blue, green, yellow, purple, and ice blue. The touch control system is very convenient and responsive. A quick tap changes colors instantly, while a long press powers the light on or off. Installation is effortless thanks to the magnetic design and included adhesive iron plate. You can easily remove or reposition the lights whenever needed without dealing with wires. Another great feature is the USB rechargeable battery, which charges quickly in around 40 minutes and provides reliable lighting afterward. Beyond car use, these lights also work well as bedside lamps, wardrobe lights, or reading lights. Overall, they are stylish, portable, and surprisingly versatile for everyday use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.